Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can create your own sort order. So what I've got on the screen is a list of people with grades. Now the grade in this list that is the best grade, if you like, is senior officer, that one. I'll just make it yellow so you can see it, followed by TO. Now TO is that one. Now if I do an A to Z sort in this column, I'll just go up to the data tab and go A to Z or Z to A. So Z to A does bring them to the top, but SO isn't at the top. And if I do another SO down here and just resort that again, so we've got a few more than that, follow that one in yellow as well, sort that again, and then Z to A, so it's bringing them back. So the alphabetical sort isn't doing what I want. I want the SOs to be at the top, and then TO, and then EO, which is executive officer, and the rest can just follow on. I'm not bothered, but I need to create my own sort list. So what you need to do is basically type out a list of each option. So SO, then TO, then EO. Let me just bring that over, just delete that over here, but it's picking up the formatting. So SO, TO, EO. So that's the order I want, and then the rest can be AO and AA, and then there's no other ones in there. So what I need to do is I need to add this into Excel options. So I'm going to highlight that list. I'm going to spell check it. F7, don't really need to spell check a list like this, but I will press F7. There's no mistakes there. And now I need to add it into options. So I've got it selected. I'm going to File. I'm going down to Options. I'm going to the Advanced option, and then I'm going to scroll down to the near the bottom, and this is where I need to put it, Edit Custom Lists. Because I've got it highlighted, I can just go Import. There it is. Click OK to that, and OK again. I don't need that list anymore, so I can delete it. But now, how do I sort this so that the SOs come to the top, and then the TOs, then the EOs? What I have to do is on the Data tab, or you can get this from home, Sort, and it's on the grade column, not Z to A or A to Z, but Custom List, and then you can select that list, and then click OK, and then it should bring the SOs to the top, followed by the TOs, and then the EOs, AOs, AA, as you can see there. So that's a custom list that I've added, and I can now sort by that. Now the good news is I don't need to do that again because I put that into Excel options. That is available to all Excel files. So if I just, for example, copy this, get myself a new file, Control N, and paste it, Control V, and then do an A to Z sort on it. If I go data A to Z, so it's now not in the right order, what I can do is go into that sort box again. It's highlighted the column. I haven't labeled the column, but I can still apply that custom list sort and select it from here, and then OK, OK, and it will sort. Whether it's a new file, a current file, or an old file, that sort list and that sort order is going to be there. Now, if I just close this down, Control W, close window, don't want to save it, so no. Another thing I could do is like I've got a list of courses here. You could do the same sort of thing. If I just copy a few of these, if I grab that one, hold my control key down to copy that, so Microsoft Training, I'll just make that wider. And then you want to say leadership first. Let's go leadership first, holding my control key down to copy that. And then equal ops third, you can do it like this. Little black horse up there, control key down, So that's the order I want to be able to sort this column. You highlight the three. Now you do have to do a spell check on this because these are words. So I'm pressing F7, OK to that. Then I'm going over to File, down to Options, and I need to get onto the Advanced tab. Before I do that, this feature used to be sitting on the General tab, and then somebody thought it was a good idea to move it to the Advanced option. I don't think it should be because lots of people have forgotten it's there. If I come down near the bottom, you've got Edit Custom Lists. Because I've got it highlighted, I can just import it. There it is. Clicking OK to that. Now OK again. Now if I click into this list, it's on the grade column, so I need to go onto the course attended column, and then brings leadership up to the top like so. Now with the dates, so like months, Jan, and the days of the week, so I'll pull that down. There's more than 1 January in this list. This is a custom sort as well, but this is already preloaded. If I go into that list and go into custom lists, I can select the months from here, and I typed it as an abbreviation, so I can select that one, click OK, and then OK again, and that will bring all the Januaries, then all the Februaries, etc., etc. Likewise, the same with the date. So if I type the full date, Monday, and then pull that down, so I've got a few Mondays, I'm going to sort custom list. I have to select that option because that is what I've typed. This option wouldn't work. Click OK to that. Click OK again. Brings all the Mondays to the top, then the Tuesdays and Wednesdays, etc., etc. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video. How you can create your own custom sort and apply it to any spreadsheet, old, current, or new, by adding it into Excel options. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.